up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Katrina and we're doing Vlogmas day 3. Okay, so in this video I want to do like I don't want to say get ready with me because I'm not really getting ready to go anywhere, but like I guess like a holiday prep. So I'm gonna do my lashes. I'm gonna show you guys like how I do my lash extensions, and I'm gonna put that in quotes because obviously I'm not a nail tech, I'm not a professional. This is just what I do to apply my lashes like for long time wear. If you're a professional, don't worry about it. I mean, this is what I do. I have no issues with it. So I just wanted to bring you guys along if that's something that you guys are interested in. So let's talk about like what you'll need. So I use a waterproof mascara first. I've already curled my lashes. So just do your lashes however you would normally do them with mascara. I always curl my lashes before I put mascara on, so they're already curled. This is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise waterproof. Okay, and then you'll need some lash glue. This is the Ardell Professional Lash Tight, and this is for individual lashes. It's the dark adhesive, and I've used this a couple times. I really like it. You're gonna need a mirror. This is like a mirror that I got a long time ago, the House of Lashes. I think it's like a travel case, and it has a mirror in here, and you can put your lashes and store tweezers and glue and stuff in it. So that's what I'm gonna be using. You'll need some tweezers. These are some e.l.f. tweezers I got from Target. Some scissors. I think these are considered, I don't know, nail scissors. I don't know. I use them for my brows mostly, and I use them to cut my lashes. I don't really know what kind of scissors these are, but I'll leave links below for you guys. And then you'll need a pair of your favorite strip lashes. Mine are the Baddington lashes in the style Monroe. They're 3D silk lashes that look like this. Hopefully you guys can see that. These are super cute. It says, if all else fails, bat your lashes. It's so cute. But Baddington lashes, they're 3D silk lashes in the style Monroe. So what you're gonna do is carefully remove the lash strip from its packaging. And I always start from my outer corner and work my way in, because I always am gonna want, I guess, how do you say, thicker, longer lashes on this outside. So I always start from the outside and I work my way in. And so once you have your lashes off of the out of the packaging, first of all, you see how this lash has a little bit of that edge sticking out right here. First of all, I'm gonna cut that off. We don't need that part. On both sides, cut off any of the excess lash that's there, or any of the excess lash strip that's there, I should say. And so what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut your lash into small sections. And so I go every 3 little clusters on the band. So I'm gonna cut just the band tip right there. Don't cut all the way into the lash. And so you'll have, let's see, okay. You'll have a little cluster of lash like that. You're just gonna pre-cut little clusters of the lash, and you want to keep them in order. You know, as you cut each section, just, you know, line them up on your vanity in front of you so that you keep the original shape of that lash style. This particular lash strip is pretty dense, but if you're like, for example, I also love the Ardell Demi Wispy lashes. Those are beautiful. Love those. Those have more spaces between the lash clusters. So if this is something that you're kind of like nervous about, or you're not really like experienced with, you know, putting lashes on, I think those are a really great beginner lash. Me personally, I like a more natural lash. I'm not into super long, thick, dramatic, glammed out lashes. That's just my personal preference. So once you have them cut, you can use a what is this? A lash and brow. You can use a lash brush. This is the e.l.f. Lash and Brow Wand. I love Target. That's where I got this from. It's like $2. $2 at Target. And you can brush your lashes if you want. It's really not necessary though. We want to apply our mascara first. So you'll just apply your mascara like you usually do. I like to, this Lash Paradise mascara is really wet. It's a fairly new tube as well, so I'm not sure that probably has something to do with it. But you want to just give yourself a thin coat of waterproof mascara, just like you usually would apply mascara. I like to just like wiggle it at the base. I also like to kind of like comb it more out to the side, because for my particular eye shape, I really prefer a cat eye sort of a shape. So I tend to kind of like apply the mascara, moving from the root of my lashes towards that outer corner of the eye. My lashes are so long, they almost look like they're getting tangled on the edge, which is why I just really like to make sure that I have only a little bit of that mascara on the wand. I'm just kind of removing that excess by brushing from the top of the lash and kind of reshaping it, because I don't want too much. I just want a thin coat. What is that? Okay, just like that. Okay, so we have mascara on this one eye. I'm just gonna do one eye with you guys. I'll do the other eye off camera, and then I'll show you guys, like, you know, the finished look. Okay, so now it's time for glue. So I have the big bottle of this. So when you shake it, you have glue in the cap of it. And so that's what I use for applying it to the lash. So I'll take my tweezers and we're gonna start from, you know, when you lined the lashes up when you cut it, we're gonna start at that outer corner because we're starting with this eye, right? So if the lash was on and we're starting from this outer side, we would start with the outermost lash on the side. So I'm gonna pick up this lash cluster, okay? And I'm just going to dip the we only want the band to be coated with the glue, okay? And we kind of want to give it this motion because we want that glue on this top part because we're going to be applying it under the lash, okay? I have the glue on there. You can kind of see like a mound of glue right at that base of the lash cluster. And we're just gonna wave it like this, give it a few seconds to get tacky. This Ardell lash type really doesn't need much to get tacky. And so we're gonna get our mirror, hold it chin, like at that chin level, and we're gonna be looking down because we're gonna be applying this underneath the base of your lash. And you're going to apply it not to the skin, but to the very base of your lashes. It should be touching the lashes itself, not your skin. Okay. And so I have that outer lash applied and I hold it there onto the lash for about 20 seconds. Okay, and so we're just gonna continue on. I'm probably going to go ahead and speed this up, but we're going to repeat. And I'll go ahead and show you guys one more. This one's a little bigger than I probably should have it, but it should be fine. So we're gonna take this lash. We're gonna do the same thing with our cap. We're gonna apply some of this lash tight to it. And I'll blow it and kind of like wave it around for about 15 seconds. And then I'll go ahead and apply it. And you want to apply it again underneath the lashes, but right next to the one that you just placed. And hold it for about 20 seconds. Keep in mind that this is something that you're going to want to do after you've taken a shower for the day. Like, you don't plan on taking another shower because preferably you don't want to expose the lashes and the glue and stuff to water or steam or anything like that for at least 24 hours after you've applied it. just to make sure that this is going to be, you know, something that lasts if you want it to last. And I'm just what is it called? Not pulling, but I'm just taking the tweezers and just giving them a little bit of pressure right at the base to make sure that they're, you know, adhering well to the lash. Reinforcing what I want them to do, you know? And honestly, that's like really full to me while I'm looking at them. I still have, and how many little clusters of the lash you have to put onto the lash line really depends on your eye excuse me, your eye shape and how big or small, like, the size of your eye is. You know, I don't really know how to tell, like, you know, do you have big eyes, little eyes, whatever, but cute before, cute after, okay? I'm trying to decide if I should add more. So I'm happy with the way this eye looks. I have 3 clusters left. I'm just gonna put them in my little case and hold on to them in case I need to refill one of these clusters throughout the next week or 2. But I'm gonna do this eye and I'll come back and show you guys the final look. Okay, so this is the finished look. I got my lashes done. I'm just getting my mirror so I could take a look at them. They're looking really good. I like them, really cute. I ended up adding 1 more cluster on the inside of each of them. So I had 3 clusters left on this eye and I did this eye next. And so what I'm saying is that if you have 3 clusters left when you do this one and you stop, then you should have 3 clusters left on this side too when you're done. I decided I wanted to add 1 more. So I added 1 more on the inside, and so I added 1 more on the inside on this one because we want them to be even, of course. And so let me get my little brush. This is what they look like. I'm gonna keep them really dry for a whole 24 hours. So like no working out, no taking a shower, no saunas or anything like that. No sweat, no steam, no water or anything like that for a whole 24 hours to really allow the glue to cure. I like them, so cute. I haven't put this style of lash on in a while. I'm almost liking the Ardell Demi Wispies more if I were to compare the two, but they're both really cute. So this is the final look, and I'll see you next time. Bye.